How to block a YouTube channel. Let's not waste any more time and head right to it. Before we head to the video, make sure to hit the subscribe button as it helps our channel grow. Now heading to the video, first you open the YouTube app. Once you open the app, for example this video I want to block this channel, right? So I click on three dots and here I have two options. Totally there are three options. You can click on not interested. You can click on do not recommend the channel. If you click on not interested, it will remove of that. If you click on do not recommend, it will remove of that. But this whole thing entirely doesn't change the thought of blocking the channel. So the best thing you can do is, for example this channel is here. I click on that. On the top right I click on the top three dots, and once I click on that, here an option will come up with hide users from my channel. Once you click on that, the channel will automatically get blocked, and also it won't be able to comment anything on your channel or view your videos or comment or anything. So you're indirectly just blocking the channel, and this is how you're able to block a YouTube channel. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.